Want Disney Plus on your smart TV? Here's a quick 60-second guide for 2026. Step 1. Identify your TV brand and OS. Samsung, LG WebOS, Android TV, Roku, Vizio, or Hisense. Step 2. Connect to your home Wi-Fi and settings, then network. Choose your SSID and enter the password. Step 3. Use your remote. Press Home, open Apps, then go to the App Store or Channel Store. Step 4. Search for Disney Plus, download or update the app, then open it and sign in. Step 5. Navigate the Disney Plus home. Use arrows to browse categories and press play on any title. Step 6. If playback stalls, look for the buffering wheel and check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Step 7. Run a speed test on your phone or TV. Aim for at least 5 megabits per second for HD and 25 megabits per second for 4K. Step 8. Restart your TV and your modem or router to clear network hiccups, then test again. Step 9. Keep firmware and the Disney Plus app updated via settings or system updates for best performance. Step 10. For Samsung, LG, Roku, and Android TVs, enable DHCP, disable VPNs, and set DNS to automatic. All set. Enjoy Disney Plus. Check on-screen captions for brand steps and follow for more fast streaming guides.